How to turn on dark mode on Reddit. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in a few simple steps. First, open the Reddit app on your iPhone or iPad. Now, tap on your profile icon, then select the menu and go into Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and look for the dark mode option. This is where you can customize your Reddit appearance. Now, tap on dark mode and you'll see multiple options like light theme, dark theme, and use system settings. If you want full dark mode, go to the dark mode. Simply turn it on, and the app will instantly switch to a darker interface, which is easier on the eyes, especially at night. You can also choose light theme if you prefer the normal bright look, or use system settings so Reddit automatically matches your device theme. Once you select your preferred option, the changes are applied immediately. And that's it. You've successfully turned on dark mode on Reddit using your iPhone or iPad. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Reddit tips and tutorials.